So guys, once you're on Steam, you want to click on Add a Game, and then you want to click on Add a non-Steam game. Now once this loads up, you want to look for Roblox. Here it is. You want to select it and then click on Add Selected Programs. Then it will appear here. If you don't see Roblox, then you want to click on Add a Game again, Add a non-Steam game, and then you want to click on Browse. Now you want to find where you have Roblox installed. To do this, you could just head over to Search and type in Roblox Player. You want to right click on it and then click on Open File Location. Then you want to right click on Roblox Player again and click on Open File Location again. Now once you're on this, you just want to copy the path up here. So you just want to click once and then you want to copy this path. So just right click, click on copy. Now we can minimize this and now we can copy the path right here. So just click once over here, delete this, and then just paste the path and click on enter. Now once you're on this, you want to look for Roblox Player beta.exe. It's going to be the file with the largest size. So just double click on it, which will then make it appear here. And then click on Add Selected Programs. Now no matter which method that you did, both of these are going to work, Roblox Player and Roblox Player Beta. If you want to change your name, you just want to right click on it and then click on Properties, and then you can change the name right here to anything that you want. Now you can just click on Play, and then you'll be on Roblox.